How to buy Robux with Cash App. In this video, I will show you how to buy Robux with Cash App. Launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app where you will see different options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, go to the menu at the bottom of the page. On the menu, there are more options. From them, tap on the card option. Here it is. After that, you will land on this page where you will see your cash card. If you have not ordered one, then you need to proceed and follow the steps and create one. After that, you need to activate your card. You can do this by tapping on this option here named Activate, and your card will be ready to be used. As you can see here, the card details have been hidden. This is for privacy reasons. So you need to unhide these details so that you can use them later when making the payment. Proceed and tap on this eye icon here, and all the cash card details will be revealed. This is what it is going to look like. From there, go to your Roblox account and proceed to the page where you can buy Robux. After that, head to the payment page, and from the different types of payment methods you have here, choose this one with the card icon. After that, come back to Cash App and make sure to copy these card details and enter them correctly into the Roblox payment method. The process is that simple. After that, tap on Pay to confirm the action, and just like that, you will be able to buy Robux using Cash App. I hope this tutorial has helped you solve the issue you are facing on the app. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to buy Robux with Cash App.